Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you're on an administrator account so the app can remove files and services. Open GeForce Experience or the Nvidia control panel and locate the app or component you want removed. Once done, close any games, recording, or streaming software so drivers aren't locked. This prevents file in use errors. You're starting immediately with these steps because elevation and exclusive file access are why uninstalls succeed the first time. Next, use the Nvidia app's built-in uninstall feature first. It preserves settings and removes related components cleanly. If that isn't available, open Windows Settings, Apps, find the Nvidia program, and choose Uninstall, following prompts to remove drivers or extras. Make sure to reboot after the process so residual services stop. If the standard route fails, restart into safe mode to run the uninstaller, which avoids locked files and allows removal of stubborn driver components. Finally, verify removal by checking program files, app data, and system folders for leftover Nvidia entries and remove them manually. You do this because installers sometimes leave configs. If problems persist, run Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to wipe drivers thoroughly, and then reboot. Once done, open Device Manager to confirm the GPU uses default Microsoft drivers. If stability issues appear, reinstall the latest clean Nvidia driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.